Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan, and today I'm going to be answering a very important question. What's the best free website builder in 2026? We're going to be reviewing 3 popular website builders in today's video: Wix, WordPress, and Google Sites. If you're looking to build a site without spending any money, this video walks you through exactly what to look for in a free website builder, how the top free options compare, and which one is the right fit for your specific project. By the end, you'll know exactly which website builder to choose and how to get your first page published today. Let's get into it. Before comparing tools, let's cover what exactly matters when picking a free website builder. First, ease of setup. A good website builder should let you go from a blank screen to a live page without needing to write code. Look for no-code website builder with drag and drop features so you can move text, images, and buttons wherever you want. Secondly, AI website creation. Many builders now offer some sort of AI that can help you generate a starting layout, copy, and design based on a few questions about your business. This can save you hours compared to building every section from scratch. Third, website templates. A strong template library gives you a professional looking starting point for your niche, whether that's for a portfolio, a small business site, or just a blog. Fourth is a free website hosting. Every option on this list includes hosting at no cost, but pay attention to the storage limits, bandwidth, and whether your site will load quickly. And fifth, what you get built in. That includes a mobile optimized website out of the box, basic SEO tools so people can actually find your site through search, and if you need it, a path to add a free domain or connect a custom one later. Keep these 5 factors in mind as we compare the top 3 free website builders. Let's look at the 3 most popular free website builders: Wix, WordPress, and Google Sites. With Wix's free plan, you can build and publish a real website with no credit card, no code, and no time limit. This includes a free website hosting, 500 megabytes of storage, and a live Wix subdomain from day one. The Wix editor lets you customize every part of your site with AI using natural prompting or manually through drag and drop features. You can move any element on the artboard with no code or design experience. If you would rather start from a conversation than a blank page, then Wix's AI website builder generates a complete personalized site based on your prompt. This includes design, layout, and copy. You also get access to the Wix App Market, which gives you hundreds of free apps that you can add to your site in just one click. This can include things like contact forms, an e-commerce store, or booking tools. WordPress.com's free plan gives you a website builder with dozens of website templates and drag and drop layouts, along with basic SEO tools, site statistics, social sharing built in through Jetpack, and WordPress.com's built-in toolkit for security and performance. This free plan includes 1 GB of storage and unlimited pages, which is actually pretty generous for a beginner site. Google Sites is a genuinely free website builder tied to your Google account, with your storage pulled from your regular Google Drive space. It uses a simple drag and drop website builder interface and is a strong option if you already live inside the Google workspace, since it connects easily to Google Drive, Calendar, and Forms. The trade-off for this is depth. Google Sites offers limited design flexibility, minimal SEO tools, and no built-in way to sell products, so it's best suited for simple informational pages rather than a full business website. If you need organic ranking, e-commerce capabilities, or a custom domain, you're going to hit a hard ceiling quickly. So which of these 3 website builders is right for you? If you want the most complete, professional-looking free website with AI design help, real templates, and a room to grow into e-commerce or bookings later, then Wix is the strongest overall choice. If you're mainly interested in blogging and you're comfortable staying on a WordPress.com subdomain for now, then WordPress.com's free plan is a reasonable starting point. And if you just need a simple no-frills page like an internal resources page or a class project or a 1-page event site, and you're already using the Google Workspace, then Google Sites will get the job done for $0. For most people watching this video who want to launch a real website for a business, a portfolio, or personal brand, then Wix is my recommendation as the best free website builder in 2026. It's the only one with a free plan that combines AI website creation, professional templates, real hosting, and a clear upgrade path to e-commerce or bookings. So here's how to get started. Go to Wix.com and create your free account, no credit card required. Answer a few questions about your site and goals, and browse through more than 2,000 professionally made website templates to find your starting point. Then customize your site inside of Wix Harmony Editor, either with AI or by drag and dropping and editing text images directly. From there, you can add free apps from the Wix App Market to extend what your site can do. And when you're ready, click Publish. Your site goes live instantly with a free Wix domain. So to recap, look for ease of setup, AI website creation, strong templates, reliable hosting, and a mobile-ready design. Wix WordPress and Google Sites each do this differently, but for most people building a real website, Wix's combination of the Wix free plan, powerful editor, and Wix AI website builder makes this an easy place to start. If this video has helped you find the best free website builder for your project, give it a like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. And let me know in the comments below what kind of website you're planning to build. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.